Hi guys, Neeraj this side. So, continuation to our data scrapping series. Today I'm going to cover about Phantom Buster, yet another super powerful tool, right? Which saves you a lot of time and enables you to collect, your competitors' data from different sources like LinkedIn, Twitter, Slack, Instagram, and all those different sources. So without wasting a much, let me deep dive directly onto the platform. So you can see that there are a lot of pre-built automations which are present within the C system, right? So these are flows as well, or you can call it phantoms. So you can say that, say for an example, um I'm just taking one of the basic examples to show you. Mm-mm-mm. Say I'm just searching for event. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to export the guest list from a LinkedIn event. Now I'll show you. I've opened up, this is one of the health tech webinar event which I just clicked as attended, and I was able to see all the attendee list. Similarly, this is another event which was more onto the sales side. I just clicked on the attend button, and after clicking on that, I was able to see all the attendees list within that. Okay. Now, very quickly coming back to our system. Now, imagine I want to scrap all those attendees list who are super interested in that event. So what I can do is I can just quickly click on this phantom. Now, system, since I am already logged into the LinkedIn, it automatically fetched session IDs and information from the cookie. I'll just click on it, connect to LinkedIn. It already connected. I'll move on to the next step, and here it is asking me to provide a LinkedIn URL. So what I'll do is I'll quickly click on it, the URL. I'll paste it, and I'll just put, say that I require 100 leads or 100 data points. The moment I save it, now it is asking me that currently the phantom which I have created, it is inactive. I can just click on the launch button. Now it start running in the background. You do not have to do anything, right? System will keep on running in the background. It will create a connection. It will go to that event page. It will open that profiles of all those individuals and collect that data point and give you in an Excel sheet, right? I'll show you very quickly. Just be with me. So 10% complete, 20%, and let's wait for a few moments, right? Perfect. Now, coming back to this, now you can see that it has successfully scrapped all the data from this event. And you can, for your example, I'm just showing you. So there's a guy named as Soumya Rakshit, Vishal, Jagruti. Now you will be able to see that the thing that under the result section, you can see this as the result. You can see the same people, Soumya, Vishal, Jagruti, and all those different people. There are only two people which system was not able to find, as the profiles were out of my network. But apart from that, it was fairly extracted all the information for me. Well, in continuation to it, now system is not allowing me to download more than 10 rows, right, in the free version. But still, we are smart people and we really want to, capture all data smartly. So what I'll do is I'll show you very quickly. I'll go to instant data scrapper here, and system automatically identified this table. Now I will locate the next button in this. Let's go, and I'm telling it that system that this is the next button. Okay, now what it will do is, once IDS scraps all this information, it will click on the next button, go to the next page, again do the same till it is over. Okay, I'm going back, and let's start crawling. So now what it do is, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and page number 4. Now it completed all the scrolling for me, right? I'll just copy all the data here. I'll go to my Excel sheet, create a new sheet for your reference, and bam, right? So you can see, I think there are 98 or 100 results which system automatically populated. Here you go, right? So you can see that, I'm just showing you, sorry. See, 101. So you can see one is the header section. All the 100 rows were filled here. Now, what I can do next is, imagine I want to reach out to the people, I want to make them my connections or anything like that. Again, I'll go back to the LinkedIn Phantom Buster solution. I'll go back to the solutions on LinkedIn, and what I can do is I can connect and send follow up messages to these people. I can invite these people, I can endorse them once they are connected, and there are a lot of different things I can do. Now, suppose I want to export all the people from a specific post who have liked that. Say, for an example, this is my recent post. I'm just giving you an example, right? So this post can be anything else. Uh, what I can do is I can export all these likers data with the help of Phantom Buster, right? So what I'll do, I'll click on this, I'll copy the link to post, I'll go back here, use this Phantom, and connect to the LinkedIn, build a connection out here, go to next, and I can just paste the URL here immediately. The moment I have pasted the URL, it is asking me that any specific number that you want to limit across. I'm just putting it blank for now. I'm just putting it next and saving it. Now, again, the moment I've created that phantom, I'll launch this phantom immediately. I can schedule the same as well, depending upon on a daily basis activity or something like that. But just showing you very quickly that how it is extracting. So it is running in the background. Authentication successful. Now it will fetch all the information from my post data. Right. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and it will process the same. Right. Perfect. Now you can see that 83 likers have been scrapped. So if I go to my post and see that there were 83 likes within it. Okay. Now if I go here, I can see that these are again, I can again extract all this information using instant data scrapper. I just asked that to okay start scrolling because I've already told the system about the next button location. This is it. It is automatically fetching that, automatically did everything. Let's go back. I'm just creating another sheet for you. Bam, right? So you can see Hemant, Akash, etc., etc. There are a lot of people who are there. I'm just showing you 84, which is like one is a header row. So effectively 83 data points that you have recently extracted with a click of a button, right? So that's the power of Phantom Buster. Now let me show you one interesting thing, right? I'll create two more phantoms for your quick reference. One, Slack, right? So I'm just going here. I'm just trying to search for uh, uh, mm, all solution, Slack, Slack channel user extractor. Now this is something fun. Okay, just be with me. Uh, Now there are a lot of public Slack channels available, right? So if you go to this site named as slow file and you put down your category, suppose I'm just saying that I want to understand startup data, right? Within startup, now system has automatically given me all the public channels which are talking about startup, right? I found one of the interesting Slack channels named as Indian startups. I joined it and this is how it looks like. So you can see this is a community of people who are working in a startup and all. I'll go to the general tab and show you that there are 267 members which are currently present in this Slack channel. Okay, and it was also telling the same number. Now let's work on this. I'll go to Slack channel exporter, user exporter. I'll It will take my current session again, similar to LinkedIn. It is asking for the workspace URL. I'll just take this URL. Okay. People post random gifs, so fine. Okay, leave that for now. Coming back, I'm just pasting the same. Perfect. So it is asking me that okay, what is the channel name within it? So I'm just saying that go under this Slack channel, identify this community or group, and extract out all the information. So it will go under the general. In most of the cases, you will find general channel as well. I'm just putting it default for now. So say for an example, I say that 300 people. Sorry, not. Number of channels, okay, I'll leave it blank. Number of users, all of them, because the number is low. I'll just save it. I'll just save it for a while and launch this phantom. Right, so you immediately see that system will work in the background. Go to this Slack channel, go to this general tab, and extract out all the member information. Now there are a lot of members who put down their mobile number, email IDs within their Slack IDs, so it will automatically fetch that. In case not, so what we can do is we can use those names followed by some keywords like startup. Try to identify and enrich that data, try to get their LinkedIn IDs, and we'll build a connection with them, and then we will target with whatever thing that we wish to do. Right? So system automatically identified 269 users. Great. Again, using that IDs, I'm just saying start scrolling. Now what it is doing is it is going to all the pages, right? And it is updating here in the real time as well. So save for now. Similarly, it will extract out all the information. I'll just copy it and show you that how it works. Right. So I'll go here. I'll just paste it. Perfect. Right. So I can see that okay, when people joined in, what is a channel, what all people who are there. If I have some more information like, so this is the name of the person, first name, last name. These are I think Slack IDs if I'm not wrong. Right, and you can see again the name. So you need to do some basic work to just reshuffle the data and refine this Excel sheet, and accordingly you'll be able to get all the informations here. So just like we extracted a lot of leads data from different sources like LinkedIn and Slack. Similarly, we can leverage it for Instagram followers collector, somebody who's liking a specific photo or video or reel. You can extract all those informations. Then again, from the Google perspective, similarly, Google Map search, Google Map data, from a sales navigator perspective, you can auto connect with people, you can auto drop a message to them, you can do follow-ups on top of it. Then there are a lot of third party integrations as well, like HubSpot, Facebook, Twitter. Even this is integrated with Clay, right? So there's a specific APIs which you can connect. I'll show you down the lane as we progress. Okay. So yes, this is something that I wanted to discuss with you all. This is all about Phantom Buster. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for similar such videos in the upcoming days. Just like, follow, and drop a comment if you like something or if you have any queries. See you soon. Bye bye.